Hello and welcome to this video discussing a recent UFO sighting in the Austin, Texas metro area. On January 3 at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time, a bright light and strange object were captured on video, causing a lot of debate and speculation on social media. Some people have suggested that the object could be a drone, possibly even one belonging to the Austin Police Department, due to the presence of a searchlight and the fact that the video appears to have been filmed through double-paned glass. Others, however, are skeptical of this explanation and believe that the object could be something more mysterious. Some commenters on the original Reddit post claim to have seen similar objects at a United States Air Force base, leading some to speculate that the object could be some sort of military technology. Others have pointed out the triangle shape of the object as seen in the video, suggesting that it could be an unidentified flying object of extraterrestrial origin or TR-3B. Regardless of what the object may be, it has certainly sparked a lot of debate and speculation among those who have seen the video. Some believe it could be a hoax or a staged event, while others think it could be a genuine mystery that deserves further investigation. Until more information becomes available, the true nature of the object in the video remains a mystery. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? What the fuck? Bro. Is that a fucking UFO? Oh my gosh! What the hell? No, there's a fucking car right there. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Bro. Oh my gosh. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? What the fuck? Bro. Is that a fucking UFO? Oh my gosh! What the hell? No, there's a fucking car right there. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Bro.